Prince, how are you doing? Good evening. And as we know, everybody is preparing for this approaching snowstorm that it will be affecting more than 30 states, more than 200 million people, or maybe we call lost power. So everybody is getting prepared, getting ready, and I think I don't blame them, and me too. I always be ready. It's better to be ready than to be sorry. That's my motto. Always be ready than to be sorry. So anyway, for me, I'm prepared with these two little tiny lanterns. I pick up these lanterns today at $3 for $1.50 each, and I found two. And this one is operated by three AA batteries. And you can pick up batteries there too for $1.50. And one package is 8 pieces, 8 batteries. And I already put 3 in here. This one. And I gonna show it to you guys how cute this one. And it's really bright. Look. Different seating. You can adjust the seating if you want low. See? All the way. And it's really light. Really light. You can hang it, or you can if you have small children, it's safe for them to carry. This is so light, really light. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, if you have a $3 near you, you can check this out. Maybe you can still find this. Okay, thank you guys. God bless, and don't forget to comment, likes, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. God bless.